How to add full reel on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to add the full reel on Instagram story, first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and select on the Reels section. So here you'll be able to see different reels. Now if you want to add this full reel on Instagram story, simply tap on the reel over here, tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner, and here you can see there are different options. So let's tap on manage. Then here you have no options to share it, right? So we can simply go back and we can simply tap on the reels over here, or you can simply tap on this share icon at the top over here above the three dotted lines and simply tap on add to story. As a tap on add to story, what you can simply do is you can just add different structure and simply tap on your story option at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.